Welcome to our channel. If you want to avoid frustrating holds on your deposited funds, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your money faster. Step 1. Understand federal check hold policies under Regulation CC. Banks can hold checks for specific periods based on deposit type, amount, and your account history. Step 2. Know that the first $225 of a check must be available the next business day. This is federal law, so you can always access at least this amount quickly for immediate needs. Step 3. Build a positive history with your bank by maintaining your account responsibly. Accounts in good standing with no overdrafts typically experience shorter hold periods. Step 4. Deposit checks from local banks for faster availability. Local checks typically clear in 2 business days, while out-of-state checks can be held up to 5 business days. Step 5. Use mobile deposit for convenience but expect standard hold times. Mobile deposits follow the same hold policies as in-person deposits but offer the convenience of depositing from home. Step 6. Ask your bank about their specific hold policy for different deposit types. Some banks release funds faster than legally required as a customer service benefit. Step 7. Avoid large, unusual deposits if you need immediate access to funds. Deposits significantly larger than your normal pattern trigger extended holds for fraud prevention. Step 8. Consider direct deposit for paychecks to avoid holds entirely. Electronically deposited funds are typically available immediately with no holding period required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.